Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all in a new video. In this video, I am going to discuss about a very less spoken topic called as trading diversification. You might have been heard a lot about investments diversification, but what is trading diversification, which we are going to explore in this video. Without wasting time, let's kickstart. So, what is trading diversification? Before going to trading diversification, let us speak a little about investing diversification. You might have heard a famous quote called as never put all your eggs in one basket. Because when you put all the eggs in a single basket, and unfortunately, if you drop the basket, all the eggs will be washed out. So, this investment quote is applicable for trading as well. Now, generally, experts tell us to invest in a diversified manner, like you should invest a few percentage of your capital in real estate, few percentage in gold, few percentage in index, few percentage in different sectors. And even you people will be investing in bonds and other government securities. So this is basically a investments diversification to reduce our risk. Now you can see that stock markets are down by more than 10 percentage, whereas the gold is drastically going up every day. So this investment strategy is used wisely by almost every people nowadays due to a lot of awareness and knowledge shared across social medias. But now coming to this trading diversification, which is very less spoken, and many retail traders and beginners are not familiar with that particular topic. Now, what is trading diversification? Now, let's say your capital is 1 lakh rupee and you are a breakout trader. If the market is breaking the support or if the market is breaking the resistance, you will take a position. So, let's say you are a breakout trader and you are having a 1 lakh capital. Now there are many days market has been remained in a range bound manner for several weeks, for several days, for even few months. If you look at the daily chart of Nifty, Bank Nifty and any stocks, you can see that there will be times where the market remains in a range for a lot of days. Now, every day if you are losing in a range bound market, anticipating a breakout, and if you are losing money every day trying to trade this range bound market, and if your drawdown reaches more than 10 percentage, then you should change your strategy or you should work on your psychology, entry, exits, etc. Now, this is basically followed by almost every retail trader, every beginner. But how a high net worth individual trades, how a person who is having crores of capital trades, how a prop desk trades, who are dealing with crores and crores of money. Now, generally, prop desk and all the high net worth people who are trading in stock market, they will be having a basket of strategies. You might have heard this in recent time. People will have a basket of strategy. They will be having 4-5 individual strategies. They will combine it into a single basket. Like this, they will be having 2-3 basket of strategies. So one basket performs well if the other basket is not performing well, and if the other basket is not performing well, another basket will be performing well. So overall their risk is reduced and their capital is safe. Now let me talk about my personal trading diversification. As of now my capital is 1 crore, and how I have divided it is I have divided into 4 segments: 10 percentage, 10 percentage and 40 percentage, 40 percentage. Now for 10 percentage, I am taking trades only in Bank Nifty for intraday, and for another 10 percentage, I am taking trades in stocks only for intraday, and for 40 percentage, I am taking trades in Bank Nifty for swing trading, and for the other 40 percentage, I am taking trades in stocks for swing trading. Now this 4 segments includes option buying as well as option selling. In case if the market is range bound or if I am losing some money in intraday in Banknifty, I would be making money in stocks intraday or in swing trading baskets. Now, suppose if I am making some good money in intraday, and in case if my swing trading baskets are losing, still my portfolio will be balanced. So, in this way, I am able to reduce my risk drastically. I am not exposed to a single strategy, I am not exposed to a risk directly, and I am reducing my risk by using these four baskets. Now, if you check out any retail trader, he will be having a 1 lakh capital. Let's say, for example, for the entire 1 lakh capital, he will be taking a position based on a single strategy. And if the market is not moving well, or if the present market condition is not suitable for his strategy, then in another 3-4 trading sessions, he will be losing more than 10% of his capital. And then he has to rework on his strategy. He will develop a negative attitude towards the particular strategy. He will have a disbelief in his entries and exits, and he will be having a lot of confusions in his strategy as well as in trading. So, this is how retail traders are getting exposed to a lot of risk by following only one strategy, and if the market goes against them, it is going to kill their emotions. But whereas if you look at any experienced trader, if you have a word with any experienced trader, or if you come across any prop desk, or even you can check in Google, all the people who are having a huge capital will be diversifying their trading risk as well by using different baskets of different strategies. So now you would have been familiar with this trading diversification, which is a less spoken topic in this trading community. Now, can you do trading diversification with a less capital? Now, let's say most of the retail traders' capital are less than 1 lakh rupee. With 1 lakh rupee capital, doing trading diversification is bit difficult because you cannot take any option selling trades, and you have to solely depend only on option buying trades, and that too for intraday and swing trading. So, if your capital is less than 1 lakh rupee, then doing some trading diversification is bit difficult. So, the recommended capital for trading diversification is at least 10 lakh rupee, so that you can take a position for option buying, for swing trading, which includes option selling as well. So, with a good capital of 10 lakh rupee, you can even try adjustments in option selling in case if the market goes wrong. All right. So, this is trading diversification which I have shared with you. I hope you all liked this video. If you have any queries, please feel free to post it in the comment section. Thank you guys. Meet you all in the next video. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Thank you. Bye.